Hi all, me again. That's Kim's favorite line too. I heard her do do it as well. This is my third unboxing. I did some shopping during Black Friday week and the week after Cyber Week. So I've got 4 unboxings. I have already done 2. Look back and you'll see I had one from Wreath of Joy, and then I had Creek Road. And now I'm doing this one here. It happens to be Craft Outlet. And then my last unboxing that I'm going to do, I'll come back for, will be White Bayou. So this one here is from Craft Outlet. So let's open this one up. So now I've made, because I've done this, I've already made myself a promise, a goal, a New Year's resolution, whatever you want to call it. I literally have everything I need for another year's worth of creating. I really, really do. So my resolution will be I am not purchasing anything. I'm not purchasing any more goods for my shop until June. And maybe if I need to, but that's my goal. So for every shop I purchased from, there was thought process in future design work. So anything I bought from one shop is going to tie into the Craft Outlet for design work. Okay, so I had everything in mind. Okay, I bought the deluxe Monarch butterfly ribbon from Wreath of Joy. So now I've got my butterflies that will go in my wreath that will go with that ribbon. So everything was actually thought out. I didn't just go snooping at the website and buy to buy. I had actual thought process this time. Okay. Christmas time, I sold my gnome wreath. So this is a replacement. This is a replacement. I bought a lot of signs in this grouping. A lot of it is okay. So now I just did the unboxing for Creek Road. This is the matching sign. Okay, it's the matching ribbon to the matching sign. And like I said, this is a neutral. Some people just like the neutral on their house, which is fine. I like neutrals too. My local folks especially like neutrals. So there's the neutral bunnies to go with the neutral ribbon. They have the typical, the jelly bean color for Easter too. And it's in here. I bought the matching ribbon for this from Craft Outlet. So these are just MDF. 90% of my signs are metal. But once in a while, these come along and it's a good deal. It's cost effective for my client. So now that ribbon, I have other Monarch. I've got other aluminum signs, metal signs, but here's a cute one too. I can utilize that same ribbon, because it's even the same color scheme, for this sign. The deluxe ribbon is not as inexpensive as some other ribbon, but it's not as expensive as some of your designer ribbon. So it is more cost effective. So if I can find an even more cost effective way of doing the wreath with a wooden sign that doesn't cost as much as the metal sign with shipping and stuff, I'm going to do that too, because every client still wants something pretty on their door. Okay, these are all backfill signs that I used during the year. So these are all basically for next season. Okay, candy cane. So these are all backfill signs. They had good prices on them. I mean, they were all less than $4. I'd have to look at my price sheet. Like I said, every box I'm opening had purpose, had a definite purpose, and I didn't just go, ooh, I want that, ooh, I want that. I mean, ooh, I wanted this, but it's it's replacing what was already used. Okay, and they're good price points. So I had some gnome ribbon in my search for Christmas. I keep all my ribbon in totes because I don't have a ribbon wall. So when it's off season, I segregate everything by color and by holiday. So I found at Christmas, because I bought it on sale last year, but I didn't have a sign for it, I have black background ribbon with the gnomes on it. So here you go. I have a purpose for that ribbon, because if I don't have a sign for that ribbon, it's going to sit in inventory for another year. So this was a cost-effective way to use up that ribbon and not have it just sit there. Okay, these are cute. I can keep it, yeah, so Happy. So this one here is the Mint's Happy Easter. And then this one's a neutral. Happy Easter. Those are really cute. Do a pancake wreath with these. Something, you know, that's flat, and something, you know, put this right in the very middle of the wreath. Is what I was thinking when I did these. North Pole, replacing another one that I did. Okay. Alright. Mesh. Like the other mesh I just unboxed with the little, oh, what's it called? It was a snowdrift, but it had like the little pom-poms all over it. This is the striped pom-poms. I love this mesh. I could buy a case of it. And I probably should, and that way it would save me on shipping if I would just buy a case. Love this neutral. I use neutrals a lot. All year, I use neutrals as a base a lot. Chocolate brown. There's a couple of signs that I wanted for even in the fall. And I used, it was like a warmer brown, but I found this dark chocolate brown. It's going to go well with all my neutrals, right? I have a horse sign, 2 horse signs that I bought from Creek Road that are on the beige, brown, black spectrum. I really needed that dark brown to make those signs work. So again, it was a thought process. If I'm going to use these signs, I bought them because I love them. But if I don't have the materials to make the wreath, then what's the purpose of having them? So again, everything was a thought process. Everything was thought out. So Easter, I have like half rolls of this from last year. So again, why use half a roll? You're in the middle of a project. You might as well finish the wreath, right? You want your wreath to be finished, or else that half roll is going to sit there and not get used. I have to use what I've got, but I also need to, you know, replenish things that I like to use it with. Okay? So I'm going to just keep the ribbon back in here. This one here I used for Pink Christmas, but I'm thinking either Pink Christmas or Valentine's Day or even Easter, I can still use this, because even the little pink sign here that I have for the bunnies. Okay, pink and purple. It will go. It will work. Okay. And it's replacing what I had. I'm buying, and here's the matching ribbon to that sign I just held up. It's, oh no, I buried my scissors. Yep. I buried my scissors. Let's see if I can find the end. I feel it right here. So, matching tape. It matches, it matches this sign. Okay. So, there's that. Okay. Purpose. I'm turning another leaf with my way my business is going. I bought out of impulse a lot, and it's kind of shot me in the foot. So I'm definitely working with purpose this year, which is why I think it can actually make this New Year's resolution work. I really think it will work this year. So that neutral ribbon I bought for that other neutral sign, and it's the little bunny rabbits. I don't know if you can zoom in. Maybe when you're watching you can zoom in, but they're cute little bunnies with the little carrots in here. So that goes with this. Okay, I had a purpose. I'm gonna keep saying it. Okay, and then this ribbon here can go with this as a 1.5 inch. I have mint. Oh, I got 2 of these because I know this will go a long way. Oh, actually, they're a little different. They are a little different, but they work together, or I can use them on separate wreaths. Okay, and the mint for this. That was my combination thought for that. And for the Creek Road, I just bought those 2. I just bought the 2 St. Patrick's Day signs. So I got some shamrock, little shamrocks, and this ribbon here is really pretty. I have to open it. So for my focal ribbon, when I'm doing my bow on these signs, that's really, really, really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. So that's my focal. That's going to be like my focal ribbon that I'm going to use. And this is my haul from Craft Outlet. Now, I'm going to stop. And I will be back. Because I have... And something else I'm going to do for sure is after all my videos are done and they're uploaded and all that, my boxes, I'm going to take each roll of ribbon. I'm going to mark who I got it from and my cost right on my ribbon. So I found a lot of ribbons that I'm running really short on. I don't have the name on it. I don't have the price I paid for it. I don't have like when I bought it. And now I have no clue where to even start searching for it. And I've got the codes, but the codes don't always show up when you do a search. Much rather just go back to where I bought it from and buy it again. So, goal, more organized, be more organized. Write down where you got your stuff from, okay? Makes it a whole lot easier when you run out. Okay, so this is my unboxing from Craft Outlet. And we will see you for the next one and the last one, which will be from White Bayou. So, until then, I'll be back.